Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I noticed that you guys recently placed an ad on Facebook, which is awesome. But I thought I would just send you a few tips that you guys could use to get more organic leads so you don't have to rely on paid services and ads. So going over to your page, so your website should be like a virtual cash machine for you because nearly 70% of your organic leads come from this website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can actually capture those leads. So let's look here. We have separate page for each service, which is awesome. That's exactly what you want. Hopefully each of these pages have their own unique content and their own local keywords. Every page must have unique content. It cannot be duplicated, and they have to have their own keywords. You cannot use the same keywords on multiple pages. Let's see. Interlinking pages. These all look good. But you don't have any content. So your website is not going to be ranked based on appearance. It is all based on content, and content is key. This is the only content you have. Google needs a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused on your local buyer intent keywords for each of these services that you're offering. Your homepage should have a summary, basically, of each of your services with those local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords your customers are actively searching in your area for your services. So it's really important that you have that content and those keywords. You need 250 words for every keyword you're going to target throughout your website. And then if you're servicing multiple areas, you should consider having service area pages as well. Any place that has search volume should have a service area page. And those pages are basically like mini home pages with little summaries of all your services, but the content is going to be focused around that location. So the keywords would be the keywords for your services for that specific location. Let's take a look at your top competitor here in Miami. We have Serve Pro, and yes, they are a franchise, but you are not competing against the franchise as a whole, only the specific location in Miami. And so you're actually at an advantage because franchisees cannot modify their website, add content, or try and refocus it on the relevant local keywords. And you guys can. And so you guys are at a huge advantage because you can add pages, content, and focus on those keywords and start to outrank these guys. But you will have to have more content. You're always going to need more content than your competition. Whatever your competitors are doing, you will always need more of. But your website alone is not going to be enough to be found online. So you will have to not only work on your content and keyword strategy, but you're going to have to support it with SEO. If we look here, you don't have any SEO, no search engine optimization. You have a score of a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google doesn't trust your website. That's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You just really don't have any. You're going to need a lot of these, but not all are created equal. So you only want the ones that are relevant to your services and that are do follows, because do follows will share the power of the higher ranking sites and help you to rank. Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So anything extra, Google looks at as spam. And if we look here, you only have one do follow link. So only one link is doing anything remotely to help your website. And because you don't have any content, you have 0 keywords indexed and 0 people coming to your site. So again, it is extremely important to optimize your website, your content, and your keywords so that you can drive that traffic and convert them into customers. If we look at your competitor, we don't care how their domain is rated. We only care about their location. And it looks like they're getting this rating because of the power of their website. Because they don't have any backlinks or referring domains going to this area. But they do have 26 keywords indexed, and they are getting 184 people to this Miami location. So it just shows you how important it is going to be to optimize your website so you can capture that traffic. You should have tons of traffic. And if we go here, this is the Google Maps section, and your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't search anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3, you send all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important is going to be your citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories, like Yellow Pages and Yelp. And so you're going to have to do a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips that I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and in each service area, using those local buyer intent keywords supported by your SEO backlinks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.